we're back. I'm back at Mom and Dad's house today, and we're on day 11. Day 11, can you believe it, of our 12 days of Christmas cookies and sweets. And I saved one of the best for last because this is my grandma's recipe. We were running through her recipe box here a while back, last year actually, and I was like, Mom, have you ever made this? And you were like,
No, I don't think I have.
You never had? I thought you guys had made that.
Well, yeah, we did once or twice.
Okay.
We did
Okay.
once or twice.
And we found her recipe for microwave peanut brittle. And I know last year we made it 3 times.
Yeah,
It was really good. And I shared it on the blog. And I thought this year it'd be perfect because this is another great item that's terrific for cookies, cookie trays. It is great to give as gifts. It is sweet, it is delicious, it's crunchy, it's salty, it's all the things. So I think it's something you're really gonna like. Let me walk you through the ingredients really quick. And we're gonna need a couple of different things. Sugar, peanuts, of course, a little bit of butter, baking soda, and vanilla extract. A couple of more things we're gonna need is Karo syrup. And we're gonna use, I'm gonna be really specific about this, a cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it. We're also gonna spray this cookie sheet with nonstick cooking spray because that makes it super easy for the peanut brittle to be peeled off. So that's a must. And last but not least, I think that's all we need, right?
I think so.
We said Karo syrup, so
Yes.
yeah, okay, we're good. So let's get started. The first thing we do is combine the Karo syrup and the peanuts and the sugar, and it's microwaved for 3.5 minutes, I believe. So I just wanted to show you this. The difference between Karo syrup is sticky. It's sticky like honey, which is nearly as sticky as maple syrup. So before I pour the Karo syrup into the measuring dish, I want to make sure I spray it with nonstick cooking spray because it makes it a ton easier to come out. So that's the first thing we want to do. Oh, another thing I wanted to tell you is when you're stirring this, because basically, you know, we're microwaving sugar, which turns into a small version of molten lava when we're done here. So because of that, you want to make sure you use a wooden spoon. A wooden spoon or something that's not going to conduct heat. If you used a metal spatula, see how easy that pours out? That would not happen if we hadn't sprayed that first. That's exactly what we want.
Dig it out a little bit more.
Sure. Yeah, it's almost all gone. That's perfect. Thank you, Mom.
And you don't want to use that spoon.
No, don't want to use that one. Because if you do, the heat will come right up the spoon and it will burn your hand because this is going to be seriously hot when it comes out of the microwave. So what we had there was a cup of sugar, a cup of peanuts, and a 1/2 cup of Karo syrup. You want to stir this together. This is, to me, it's like magical how easy this is. And it's kind of an old-fashioned treat too, which I think made it even more special. So just stir it together. It's gonna look like a big lump of, you know, peanuts, sugary peanuts, but you wanna get it distributed as much as possible. Okay, let's see here. Get all the stickiness off our wooden spoon. Okay, into the microwave. I'm gonna put it in there for about 3.5 minutes. It's gonna start to turn golden brown, and it's kind of magical. So hang with me, we're gonna put this in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay guys, it's been cooking in the microwave, 3.5 minutes, just about ready. Ding, there we go. And see, this is what I'm talking about. That's exactly what we want it to look like. I had someone ask one time, do you cover it? No, we don't want to cover it. I'm just going to let it kind of bubble and do its thing. And I'm going to give it a good stir and scrape it up from the bottom. Nope, we don't put anything in yet. And believe it or not, this goes back in the microwave for another 4 minutes. And then we're going to add our final ingredients. Okay, 4 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, so we kept an eye on the peanut brittle in the microwave and decided that 3 minutes is about what we needed it to be. See how much that's changed in color and how bubbly and hot it is? So now we're gonna add, oh boy, that smells good, the butter and vanilla. And I'm going to stir it in. It's going to hiss and spatter. Go ahead and stir it in. And bubble. And it's supposed to. Nope. And we're going to cook this for another minute. And see where these hot pan holders are definitely coming in handy right now. Perfect, so we'll be back in a minute. It's done. Almost, I should say. Look at this beautiful, hot, bubbly goodness. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is put in the, I'm gonna leave this on. Put in the baking soda. And if you could, I'm gonna stir it first. Okay. And it's really gonna kind of fizzle up now. And the baking soda is what puts the air in the peanut brittle. See how it foamed up? That's so cool. And now we just need to pour it onto our cookie sheet. I think that's an amazing process. It's like a little science experiment. Okay. I'm going to take the back of my wooden spoon and just kind of push it around so it can kind of even out. And as good as the house smells, and as luscious as that looks, the last thing you want to do is stick your finger in it because it will just burn your finger right off. So we're gonna let that sit. We're gonna let it completely cool. I think it takes about a half hour.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's not long. It's not long at all. So we're gonna let that just relax and do its thing, and we'll be back. Okay guys, the peanut brittle is cooled. I know it's cool because I can touch my hand underneath the bottom of it. It really didn't take as long as I remembered. It only took like 20 minutes maybe.
Yeah. Like
So, and we know it's ready to go. The reason we sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray, look how easy that is to peel off. That's what we're looking for. And then, to make the peanut brittle, we just crack it.
really tough.
Yeah. You want to get some?
Sure.
This is a big piece. This is really good. Let me try.
Mm-hmm.
If you've never made peanut brittle, you gotta try this. Oh, that's yummy. Last year, I think Dan and I ate a whole plate of it ourselves. So yeah, you'll need to wash your hands when you're done because we have the nonstick cooking spray. But when you put the baking soda in and it foams up like that, that's when you get all the air in there, and that's what you're looking for. That's what makes it like light and super crispy. Yum. Okay. Santa definitely needs some of the peanut brittle when he comes down the chimney. I would say for sure. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this easy walkthrough on how it is to make peanut brittle. And join me tomorrow for our last in the series of 12 Days of Christmas Cookies and Treats. And you'll have an extra special one there. Any questions, just drop me a note below. All the instructions are below. Click over to the blog, the link's there for that as well. And on the blog, you'll find some additional tips and tricks there. But enjoy your cookies, enjoy your holiday. Don't forget to put some fun in the holiday, okay? Check me out at bowlmeover.com. Find me on Facebook, find me on Pinterest, TikTok, all the places. Thanks, Mom.
You bet.
Appreciate
It was
your
fun.
help. Okay. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.